trying to save the battery. Okay, so right. Straight away the area they're living in. Yeah. So tell ya, it's very hard to live in this area, and the way they live here makes you feel really emotional. Yeah, alhamdulillah, I managed to. So it's another bari. You can see all these people. There's another bari here. Yeah. So this water pump, we had to find an access point where everyone can access the water pump. Okay. So in here. This is how they drink their water at the moment. Okay. Each family has that sort of things, I suppose. So it's an area. So obviously it's got a few houses, quite a few families. Assalamu alaikum. Quite a few families lives here. Yeah. So somebody did donate one water pumps, but it's packed up, doesn't work at all. Okay, so just gonna ওদিকে নেই। So we have to find the layer. So we have to find a layer. We tried few places here, but we didn't succeed. So therefore, you can see there's some access point for everyone to come along and access the water pumps. And this is the area where we thought is ideal, so they can, yeah. Just gonna show you, I'm drinking this water, guys. Alhamdulillah. It's really nice. So Come on. So this is the water pump. Okay, Fanita Saruka. So this is our fuel technician, Shamim Bhai, pumping the water. Okay, so I just want to show you, this is the plate, and you can see, okay. So বর্তমানে তারা ওরকম পানি খাইতা আমি তোমরা আগে দেখাইছিলাম যে ওই যে পানিটা কিন্তু ওরকম খাইতো তারা ওই যে চিনের মধ্যে মেঘের পানি দরিয়া দেখেন মেঘের পানি এই দেখোকা তুমি সি প্রতিটা গরর প্রতিটা ফ্যামিলি তার কোনো চয়েস নাই and see how long it takes someone to have a jug of water. Yeah. So alhamdulillah, now they all, you know, everyone is sorted. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you one more time. Funny tarbar sarbani Shamim bhai, see how clean it is. Look at that. I'll show you. The hookah funny. Yeah. So আমরা যে ফিটিংস গুলো দিছি এগুলো কিন্তু ভেরি হেভি এই যে ফাঁকাটা করে হইছে এই ফাঁকাটা করিয়া জিও করিয়া আমরা যে দাতা আছে you can see so may Allah bless everyone who's involved here, and this is our first water pump, and may Allah bless the person who's donated this and his family here and after, and our coordinator. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go live. Okay, so here you go. আমরা আপনারা দেখুন আমরা কোন এরিয়ার মাঝে টিউবওয়েল গুলা দিছি কোন এরিয়ার মাঝে আইছি so আমরা কিন্তু অনেক দূরই আইছি আর আপনারা এই যে এই গরগুলা দেখা যে পরিস্থিতির মধ্যে তারা থাকে you know, so obviously it's quite sad, you know, sad really. So দেখেন যে পরিস্থিতি তারা পানি খাইতে কয় আপনারা তো পানির যেটা দেখছেন যে অবস্থায় তারা থাকে বা জোহরের imagine people living here and having, imagine yourself, yeah, having a tub like this, a drip water like that. How long it's going to take you? Huh? How long it's going to take you to have a shower? How long it's going to take you to have a clean glass of water? Not even clean, you know, it's not clean. Yeah, with your fukur in the ponds I've just showed you around there. Can you see? Yeah, river. They get the water from there, put it in there, and oje fanita kitara johorra. So buzu kasain doesn't mind shakottuku johorra. So alhamdulillah, with your help, with everybody's support, and with the donors' support, we managed to install our first water pump in this area. So may Allah bless you all. May Allah bless everyone. Supporting us directly and indirectly.